But see, maybe going forward because a cut to a mine.
No, my cut the circle say be and no cancer.
Because maybe say yes, Buddha gonna say such charge.
No, I'm saying circle. And your man can cry there. Where they say Fenina, where they say no, my every rainy season, we spend not less than 500 million Ghana cedi or dollar. I stand to be corrected. Edit it.
Got him.
Got him. How do we move forward? It is so. We will continue to plead that the levels at which you allow partisanship to override the Constitution of Ghana. They say we rule by our emotions and party affiliations. Yeah. So there's no principles in the country again. Makacho, there is nothing like an independent body again, from the judiciary to the last person. The trust levels, the partisan levels, BBA we have to accept that BBA and that's why for the past 1 week I've been advocating that we have a fundamental challenge, all facets of the country.
Yeah. From
Central Nikra, Mitna, Kasafidiesu, ADD from A to Z. He gets promoted. You know, there was a big challenge as a country. The foundation is now. There's no foundation. It's destroyed.
It's any
so Moti Asiasa Foundation is destroyed. Yeah. Then we can start afresh and then pardon ourselves and build the Ghana we want. But I don't think this is the Ghana we want. No, I don't think this is the Ghana we want. Let's not deceive ourselves. And now so for now take a partisan position. Even prayer, spirit, imbibe, and next of Fukujinawa. Ni prayer ni na so canal say. Baby, you know, Obo Humpire, canality take over for us of the donor. So it's becoming dangerous.
I say.
Very dangerous for us as a country. Very dangerous. If we don't get back to our foundation, which is basically not non-existent, we are dead. Because there's so many autofista by, you know, and they allow man to be a part of us. And I remember in your address and on boxer shorts now, if you know, and the domo extreme near Manakoye. And then you do any declare system. Everything is foreign. And the Ghana and Titia, a bony and Indian, Ukrainian, or Dom. Yeah, you know, who's a pipe or potemwa. Wa crop upon no mamma, and one Casaquano, who told that either community now, Honam who hired a drain pipe. Here the sag glue, you know, near Nani, and on the Cacana, and but and then, and a power me piano. The main street now, a Westland on is so pipe. Obia do on no the glass the cost. Obia do no the glass the cost. You know, so who cares?
It took what I said, what have your cost now?
Yeah, so it's not about Muhammad cares. Who cares? Who cares? No. And we deceive ourselves. Me and me can and Pantiase. It can't be about Muhammad cares. About who cares for the country? Who cares? Nobody cares again.
One day partisan.
Nobody cares again. And then contract crown you see, but not the person who me about person pijama yako. See contract cry the bemano. I don't say a party coloration. What that? No, Maya. Yet me deceive you what he said, and then our constitution say this is assembly elections and your partisan. Yeah, that I also have seen there. This is assembly elections and your partisan. Ya smile at it and your partisan. Hey, me you go see.
Oh,
now why are we doing this?
Yeah.